Angas is in the house of strength. Isandaang kilo na si Master Angas ngayon. Alright, yeah buddy. Alright. Mahirap maging Master Angas. Alright. Okay. Alright.
Ano lang?
Ito yung mga strength training ng mga 47 years old at 51 years old. Sakong bros.
Training. Yan, si Coach. Bong Sakong. Puta, 100 kilogram. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Basic lang. Grabe. Basic na basic. Okay.
Master Angas, ang lupit eh oh. Magja-jump squat ng 50 kilos. Let's go. Okay, 3 to 5. Yan, okay. Landing ka sa ball ng paa mo ha. Sa ball na, hindi sa heel. Okay, go. Good job, come on. Astig. Oh, yun oh. Malupit. Okay pa si Master. Maangas pa rin.
Si Coach. Mas maangas to. Mas maangas yan si Coach. Yun. Basic lang. Basic na basic lang. Woo! Yun oh.
Yeah. Let's go, Master Angas. At nag-chin up.
Sakong. Go! Basic lang ah. Yun. Yun oh. May pasayaw-sayaw pa. Basic lang ah.
Ito ang mahirap pag si Master Angas kasama sa training. Sabi ko na magbigay tama na lang kami. Gusto niya ng FMA strength training. Evolution daw. Ayan o. The evolution of FMA. So alam niyo na kung sino kukontakin nyo pag gusto niyo ng ganitong klase ng mga t-shirt. Okay? Si UGB. Alright, online store. Kaya hanapin nyo, tanong nyo kay Papa Goat.
Nakakaganda ng katawan
Okay?
to.
We go to go, baby. Alright, let's go, Master Angas.
Let's go!
Alright.
Training.
Dumbbell swing, buddy. Angas talaga. Huh? Alright, alright. Galing. Hindi napapagod si Master Angas. Ubusan na to.
Go! Yun o, si Coach Sakong. FMA Evolution Training by Coach Sakong. FMA Hybrid FMA Evolution Training by Coach Bong Sakong, founder of Sakong Combat Mixed Martial Arts. Yun!
Okay, last exercise namin, Master Angas. Ito yung aming tinatawag na three-way. Leg, strength training, and endurance. Maangas talaga, oh. Alright. Keep going, Master Angas. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hit that hamstring. FMA strength training. FMA evolution. Nag-exhibition si Master Angas. Oh. Wow.
Ayan o. Coach Bong Sakong. Yun. Yun. Go, 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 go. Coach Bong Sakong, founder of Sakong Combat Mixed Martial Arts. Hal-hal. Sumubra na. Oh, yun o.
Ayos. Nahilo ako.